There is so much stuff here. Like, I genuinely cannot hold it all. Yes, I'm about to do this. My arm is aching already. How do people do this? Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are ignoring my hair because I need to wash it, but I'm going to be unboxing this box and I ordered some new conditioner that I wanted to show you, so I'm waiting till after the video till I can have a shower. I just ordered a crap load of makeup off Beauty Bay and it arrived this morning. I ordered this last night. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little haul video, go through everything that I got, maybe do a few swatches, have a little play around and just have some fun, a nice sit down chitty chatty video. But also before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and give this video a big old thumbs up and let's just get into it. So yeah, first I got these Ardell Wispy lashes. They are literally some of my favourite lashes ever and they're so affordable. I think they're like £4 something each. So I thought I'd get 2 pairs because they also last really long. Like literally my last pair I think I wore like 15 times. As long as you look after them they last forever. So picked up some more because I needed some lashes because you guys are probably sick to death of seeing the LA Splash ones on my Instagram in every single post. I got some new conditioner. Obviously if you watched my hair care video you'll know that previously I've been using the Kerastase Resistance conditioner and shampoo. This one is just a little bit cheaper. This is by a brand called Fudge. I used to use their silver shampoo when I was in uni and yeah, that was about, what, 3 years ago? And their silver shampoo is really good, so I thought I would give this a try. This is their Damage Rewind Reconstructing Conditioner. It's got Optiplex technology, which I'm guessing is like what Olaplex has in it. So I'm excited to try it out, which is why I have not washed my hair today. Because I'm going to wash my hair after this video. Let me give it a smell. It's a bit weird that it doesn't have like a seal on it actually. Is that not strange? Ooh. Smells like coconut. I can deal with that. I just got it on my nose. Next we have, this is from a brand that I've never heard of and it's also a really odd brand name, but Formula 10.0.6. I'm guessing that's what it's called. I'm not too sure. But this is the Clear Skin Starts Here little face mask bundle and I thought this was really cute because I love a face mask. So we have 6? Yeah, I can't count, Jesus Christ. So we have 6 different masks. This one is a Seaside Glow Mask. It's a skin hydrating peel mask. We have Get Your Glow On, which is a skin brightening peel mask. Then we have Draw It All Out, which is a skin detoxing peel mask. We have Keep Your Cool, which is a skin calming gel mask. Then we have Pores Be Pure, which is skin clarifying mud mask. And then we have a Deep Down Detox. This is really hard to read because it's literally like not in the thing. This is an ultra cleansing mud mask. So 6 little baby masks there. I only have a little face, so I'm hoping these will last me quite a while actually. But I also think this is good because there's one for like loads of different needs, so depending on how my skin's feeling I can adapt to what mask I use. I'm so excited about this. I've been wanting to try this since I saw it advertised on Twitter. This is the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. I've been so excited to try this since I saw them like tweet about it when it first came out. I got it in Illustrate Fair. I was going to get the white one but I already have their white concealer thing. Their concealer, what's it called? Conceal and Define. I already have the Conceal and Define concealer in white, so I thought I'd just get like a normal shade. I'm going to give it a little swatch. I've seen the applicator on this and it looks really strange, but it's like a brush, so I've heard mixed reviews about it. Some people say that it's the brush on it makes it easy to cut your crease, but then I've seen other people say that it sometimes can get like full of product and can be a bit messy. I can't get the tape off. This is big. Like, I thought it'd be like the size of the concealer. Why can I not think today? I thought it was going to be the size of the concealer, but it's not. It's a bit bigger. Oh, I see what people mean about the. This is the applicator. I see what people mean about it possibly getting a bit messy. Let's just give her a swatch. It's very, very full coverage. I'm excited to try that. So, and actually it's not that far off my skin tone. I also picked up, I've been wanting to try this for literally years. I don't know why I never did, because it's so cheap. But this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. Again, I've heard so many good things about this, and it's really cheap. I also really am intrigued that it's got like a little brush attached to it to like swipe it on. I got the shade Porcelain, which is the lightest shade they do. And what is it with brands and porcelain not being light? Porcelain shades are really yellow. Does no one else think that? Again, like, if it is too yellow for my under eyes, which I think it might be, probably just going to use this for like eye makeup and bases and stuff like that. I'm going in order of things that I'm like least excited for to things that I'm really excited about. This I'm pretty excited about because I've heard so many good things. Get off my finger. So, I've never had anything from Milani before. Oh my god, look how pretty this packaging is. Oh! Okay, so this is the Milani Baked Bronzer. I've seen so many people use this. I'm pretty sure like Soph Does Nails uses this one. Is this the one that she uses? But this is the Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow. Oh my god, it comes with a brush. Did not know that. That's cool. Oh wow. So you have the actual component here, and then it lifts up and you have a mirror and a brush underneath. I didn't know that, so thank you, that's a bonus. Probably won't use this because I don't really see how this would blend. Also, that's literally my entire cheek. Yeah, that looks pretty good, to be fair. It's almost like a peachy toned bronzer. So I'm excited to try that. I got the Glow one because it's got like a shimmer to it, and if you couldn't tell, I like my face to look a bit wet. And glowy, I just love that kind of look. Because I have dry skin, I don't suit matte, so anything with a bit of glow in it is right up my street. These are the I Wonder 12-piece eye brush set with brush roll. It's called Ein. It's Beauty Bay's little Ein thing. I love the packaging. Look at it. It's so cool. Holographic. Love it. Yeah, but this is the I Wonder 12-piece eye brush set with brush rolled. So these are some Beauty Bay brushes. I think I want to dedicate a whole video to this. Just like testing them out. I did just only get the eye brushes because that's what I use more. I don't really use many brushes on my face because I use a beauty blender. I cannot open this again. Look how cute they are. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let me just zoom you in on these real quick because these are so, like, you would not, the quality, just the way they look, I haven't gone into feeling them yet, but it's amazing. Like, they have like writing on it. So this one's like full colour, multitasking, master, I Spy, the short, hey shorty, round the blend, HG crease brush, sketch it out, strike out, all in the deets, on fleek, and then you have take a brow. Let's take a few out and feel a few. I'm going to take full on the colour, HG crease, and round the blend. Even got the Beauty Bay symbol like embossed into the tops here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Hopefully you can. And then, yeah, as you can see, they've got the names. Should probably hold them this way. As you can also see, they've got like the names of the brushes on the end. They just look good, and the little lightning bolts and the whole Ein collection I just think is so nice with the holographic and like the purples, and yeah, just love it. But yeah, they feel really soft, which is obviously bonus. You don't want to be scratching your eyes, so I'm going to dedicate a full video on testing these out, and I'm very excited. This is really big, like on my eye, like this is quite huge, so this might actually be nice to like blend concealer under your eye, so I'm going to probably use that for this. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. This is the new Living My Best Light. They're like jelly highlighters. Multi-use highlighter. It's called Jelly. I love that. Jelly Glow Highlighter. An innovative gel textured formula to give your eyes and cheeks a prismatic finish. Swipe on a single layer to subtly brighten your look with a sheer sheen, or build as a desired extra luminous shimmer that sparkles for hours. For better results, apply with a sponge or your fingers. Jelly Glow can also be built up for a more intense look. Again, just going to take this tiny bit of sellotape off that I'm probably going to spend 10 years trying to grab. But it's in like a little square tub. It says living my best light on the side. So like, and then it says living my best light on the side. Then it has little stars. So cute. Open her up. Oh, it's got the little pop thing, which you obviously want because it keeps it clean. Oh my god, that is such a weird texture. It almost feels like moussey. I wouldn't say it's like jelly. It's like a mousse. Let's just give it a little swatch. Oh, I got mine in the shade Starlight Sparkle, by the way, which is a champagne shade. And that's her there. Oh, that is so nice. Let's see how it shears out. Yeah, it shears out quite a lot. Let's try build another little layer onto that. It's such a weird texture. I can't even like get over this. Yeah, kind of. I like that. That would be nice. I feel like this would be nice for like just like a no makeup, or like a, you know, just like an under highlight. That one. This is Suva Beauty. Now, I've wanted to try these for the longest time because I always see people raving about them on Instagram. But these are the Suva Beauty Hydra FX Body Art. They're like pigments, but you can turn them into, they're like water activated eyeliners almost. So you can like add water and turn them into like liquids. Like, and I got the shades Acid Trip and Dance Party. These, let me tell you, these are neon liners. Neon pigment. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's crack open these and give them a little swatch. Thank god these don't have tape on. Look at that. Oh, they're not pigments. They're like, are they pressed or are they pigment? I don't know, I'm kind of scared. Look at that. What? Okay. Oh, they are pressed. Ah. Okay, so this is the shade Acid Trip. Look at it. Oh my god. Let's I need water. I need water. Yes, I'm about to do this. Wow, there's something wrong with me. Let's give that a little do. Okay. Yes. 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 Interested to see how fast that's going to dry actually. When it's right in the light, like you can't even see how bright it is, but when I actually turn it away from the ring light, you can see how neon that is. Like, holy shit. Then I got Dance Party, which is a bright ass yellow. Oh yeah! I can't even begin to describe how excited I am about these. I just have out the bright. These, are they UV? Oh my god, they're UV. Oh my god, they glow in light. I am definitely wearing one of these on a night out and just gonna make everyone trip balls because my eyes are like, yes. I need to go to a festival now because I want to use these all over my face. Do some crazy dots everywhere. I'm just going to literally dot my whole face and just walk around like. The last and most exciting of them all is I ordered the Riviera palette. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Let's get her out. Let's get this baby out. Ever since I saw this launch, I knew I needed it. The last one I brought was Modern Renaissance. I haven't tried any of the other ones since then, just because I just haven't been able to afford it. But wow, the packaging on this, it's literally like you know, like beach chairs. Like the effect is like beach chairs, not the like velvet that you used to, which I'm excited about. Oh, do you know what I'm also really excited about? A new Anastasia brush. I love the brush that comes in their palettes. They are so good. This is what she looks like. Hello. Inserts fell out. Obviously you have the nice mirror with their sticker on it, their things, their lovely amazing brushes. It's been knocked about in the post, I think. But yeah. Oh my god. I cannot even describe how happy I am about this right now. This moment right now, I could cry. I haven't brought a new eyeshadow palette since the James Charles palette, even though like, obviously the James Charles palette probably has like a pink like this and a purple like this. All these shimmers, I needed them in my life as well. This shade is Seaside. Honestly, it's like a gunmetal silver with like purpley lilac-y undertone, and oh my god. It looks even better in person than it does online. Buzzing about this, so let's swatch her up because I'm about to have a breakdown and cry. I'm going to zoom you in so you don't have to look at my face. You have no idea how far I'm leaning back right now to do this. Hey guys, so I'm just inserting myself into this video, me from the future. Hi, this video was filmed so long ago also, by the way, so I do apologise, but I had it stored back and I didn't want to waste the footage. But yeah, basically I filmed the swatches for this clip and there was loads of people shouting in the background, so I'm not going to use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a freeze frame from my arm when it's finished and then just do a voiceover over the top. This is also going to be quicker as well. It'll probably save the video being an extra 10 minutes long. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the swatches. Okay, so starting from the top row, we have Sails, Yacht, Seashells, Palamo, Seaside, Inheritance, and Mediterranean. And then on the bottom row we have Estate, Cabana, Coastline, Bahamas, Monte Carlo, Canes, and Palm. And there we have it, you guys. That is the end of today's video. I'm just going to try and wipe my hands off. I'm also going to go and eat my dinner because I'm starving. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Give this also a thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd want to see me film a video with. I obviously have loads of new products here now. I know I'm definitely 100% going to do a testing the makeup brushes video out. And then also I think I want to do a 3 looks 1 palette with the Riviera. And yeah, comment down below what you would like to see from me and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Baby wipe. Bye.